Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to add a variable product using Woocommerce. Before starting, make sure that you have successfully installed and activated the Woocommerce plugin. Now, to add a variable product, hover onto Products and click on Add New. Now, here, let me enter the title of the product first. Here, you can add the product description. If the product does not have variants, you can simply enter the price over here. You can also add a product short description here. Don't forget to select a featured image from here. Once done, let me show you how you can make this simple product a variable product. To do that, we need to select a product type from this drop-down fields. I will select a variable product. Now you can enter the SKU code of the product here. Now to create variations, we need to add attributes first. To do that, click on Attributes. Click on Add button to add custom attributes. In my case, the first attribute is color. Don't forget to check this box. Now enter the colors as values here, separated by a vertical pipe like this. Once done, click on the Save Attributes. Let's add one more attribute. The second attribute is the size, in my case. Enter the values, repeating the same process here. Don't forget to check this box, as variations will be automatically created using these attributes. Once done, click on Save Attributes. You can add as many attributes as per your requirements. Once done, click on Variations. Now, from the Add Variations drop-down box, select the option to create variations from all the attributes. WooCommerce create every possible combination of variations from your attributes. You can see the variations here. Now, to edit the variations, simply click on it to expand. Here you can enter the price of this variant, enter weight, SKU code, etc. Repeat the same for each and every variation. It's time to publish the product. You can even select the category from here. Click on Publish button. Now let's view the product. Here you can see the drop-down boxes to select the variation options. Once selected, it will display the price and other information that we added while creating variations. So this was all about how to add a variable product to your e-commerce website using Woocommerce. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.